Can you think of any problems with the business results or any gaps in the performance of your workers that we might also address by giving everybody the big picture of the call center?
There is one thing that we still have a problem with, but it's not really service related. It's sort of an operational issue.
Okay, what's that?
Handling exception items. You know, those things that are out of the ordinary that we just don't do that often. No matter how many times we go over those things in training classes, by the time they actually have to do them, they've forgotten how to handle them. Problem is, they cross departmental lines, so actually have to talk to someone in one or two departments to resolve them. If they knew more about what went on in those other departments, I'm sure we would spend less time handling exception items and we would probably waste less of our customers' time too.
All right, that's easy enough to take care of.
You know, Dick, we should probably include some more training on handling exception items in the 2-day customer service workshop. If we worked on that as a group, it might help.
Paula, why would we want to spend more time in training if we've already done that over and over before without any positive results?
Well, Dick, you're the trainer here. I thought you were here to help me with my training needs.